for 2025, 2026, and beyond. You should have your own personal Medicare health insurance agent you can call. Intro, what I will cover with you is having a Medicare health insurance agent can be beneficial for several reasons. They can help you navigate the complexities of Medicare, compare plans, and find the best coverage for your individual needs and budget, often saving you time and money. While you can enroll in Medicare independently, an agent can provide personalized guidance and support throughout the process. Let's be honest, the endless phone calls, texts, and that stack of Medicare mailers on your kitchen table is a nightmare. It's like a puzzle with 1,000 pieces that don't seem to fit. They all shout different promises, different prices, and show you lists of doctors you've never heard of. The fine print alone is enough to make your head spin. You're left worrying that one wrong move, one missed deadline could lock you into a plan that costs a fortune, or even worse, doesn't cover the doctors and prescriptions you depend on. There's not a day that goes by that I receive a call from a Medicare beneficiary letting me know they were not aware that there was someone like me to help them by explaining, comparing, review, help with enrolling, or update their current and new healthcare plan and options. I know it can feel like you're lost in a dense jungle without a map and the stakes are incredibly high. But what if you could have an expert health insurance agent to guide you through it all? Someone who could clear a path straight to the perfect plan for you. Their help and time is always completely free of charge. Hi, I am James O'Neill, a 2025 and 2026 Medicare Health Plan Certified License Specialist. I am currently working with Medicare beneficiaries in over 29 states. I have over 38 years of health insurance experience. Yes, I know the Medicare Maze is no joke. If you're feeling overwhelmed, you are definitely not alone. Trying to understand Medicare is like trying to assemble a complex engine with no instruction manual. You have all these parts in front of you: original Medicare, Advantage plans, Medigap, and all those Part D drug plans. They all look important, but it's nearly impossible to see how they fit together. It's a full time job just to keep up, and if you make a simple mistake, it can be incredibly costly. Many people end up overspending on their coverage simply because they couldn't cut through the complexity. Working with the wrong agent or you picking the wrong plan can mean you're stuck with it for an entire year, facing bills you didn't expect, or suddenly finding out your trusted doctor is no longer in your network. That's not just a financial headache, it's a huge weight on your shoulders. The solution is having your own personal Medicare health insurance agent who will always return your call and answer their phone. This is where a personal Medicare agent shines. Like me, think of me or your agent not as a salesperson, but as your own personal translator for the confusing language of Medicare insurance. My entire job is to turn that complexity into simple choices that make sense for you. First off, I am a fully licensed and carry an AHIP trained professionals. We are required to complete annual certifications, like a pilot undergoing recurrent training to stay sharp on every new rule and plan change. We take all that confusing jargon and translate it into plain, simple English so you know exactly what you're getting. Second, a good agent gives you truly personal recommendations. We will sit down with you and ask the questions that matter, like who are your doctors? What prescriptions do you take? What's your healthcare budget look like? Based on your healthcare needs, we analyze dozens of plans to find the handful that are actually a good fit for you. And hey, if you're finding this advice helpful, take a second to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're all about giving clear, simple tips for your healthcare journey. Busting the biggest myth: what's this going to cost me? Zilch. Right about now, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but what's the catch? How much is this expert guide going to cost me? The answer is nothing. Zero. Zilch. This is where an analogy makes it crystal clear. Using a Medicare agent is a lot like using a travel agent to book a cruise. The price of the cruise is the exact same whether you book it yourself or use the agent. The agent's commission is already built into the price by the cruise line. You do not pay them a single penny extra. In the same way, an agent's commission is paid by the insurance company and those rates are regulated. Your plan costs the exact same price whether you use an agent or go it alone. You might as well get the expert guidance. Your advocate for the long haul. A great agent's work isn't over once you've signed up. We become your long-term resource. When your insurance plan sends you that thick annual notice of change packet, Your personal agent is the one who can help you understand what's different and if you should think about switching. This is one reason why it's really important to find the right independent agent. Here's the difference: a captive agent is like a car salesman at a Ford dealership. They're a Ford expert, but they can only sell you a Ford. An independent agent, on the other hand, is like an auto broker who can show you options from Ford, Toyota, Honda, and more. They have the freedom to shop the entire market to find the vehicle that truly fits your needs. They work for you, not one single company. If you do not have a personal health insurance agent broker, please feel free to contact me, James O'Neill. I would love the opportunity to help you. Choosing a Medicare plan is one of the biggest health and financial decisions you'll make in retirement. You don't have to face it by yourself, drowning in a sea of confusing mailers and websites. You can have me, a licensed professional, on your side who acts as your guide, your translator, and your advocate. That get your needs, know the market inside and out, and give you the confidence that you've made the right call. I simplify the complex and protect you from expensive mistakes and offer priceless peace of mind, all at no cost to you. Your next step is to give me a call at 888-966-8579 or visit my website, www.o'neillinsurancegroup.com, an independent agent broker who can be your trusted partner. If you have any questions or want to share your own story about picking a plan, please drop an email or comment below. Let's help each other figure this out together. Thank you.